Now don't henpeck the boy. Next trip into town, I'll buy you a whole bunch of new pots and pans. Red, up the hill and quick, boy. We're getting raided.
I'm coming, Pa!
The kid's down by the river. Go get him.
Yeah.
Dang it! The kid's still alive! Oh!
Come on, Red. It's now or never.
I'll get you, boy! Shoot that little sidewinder! Go get him! You got there you are, but it won't happen again. Put the gun down, kid.
How much for the lot?
Well, you did good, son, but you're out of luck. Take a look around. There ain't much here. I got nothing to offer you. The Ugly Gang is done destroyed my town.
Look at that mangy mutt.
That damn doggone leaved himself all over them fancy boots of yours.
Damn varmint! What's going on over there? Quit doing that!
Who did that?
Come over there!
Now, you little...
Guys! Look over here!
Hey, chicken, I'm over here.
Excuse me, mister? Mister, please, can you help me? You gotta help my pa. There's no doctor left in this town.
The closest doctor's in Brimstone. Sheriff Bartlett might offer you a handsome reward if you can get me there.
I'll send a telegram and tell him about your arrival.